So over the next few minutes, I'm going to be going over the steps in bilirubin metabolism, which refers to all of the processes involved in its production, modification, and transport. Bilirubin is produced from heme, which is mainly derived from hemoglobin released from red blood cells that are destroyed at the end of their lifespan. Its production occurs in the reticuloendothelial system, of which the spleen is the primary unit. Heme is converted to bilirubin in rapid succession by two enzymes that are located close to one another within the cell. Heme oxygenase is responsible for oxidative excision of the alpha carbon that opens the ring structure and releases iron. This reaction produces biliverdin, which is then acted on by biliverdin reductase to hydrogenate or reduce the gamma carbon, leading to the production of bilirubin. Bilirubin now has to circulate in the bloodstream. It does not remain linear. It undergoes extensive internal hydrogen bonding, which shields the polar propionic acid side chains, making the resulting molecule nonpolar, or in other words, poorly soluble in water. So in circulation, it must be transported by a carrier molecule, which in this case is albumin. Albumin is a protein that has a very high affinity for bilirubin and binds reversibly but strongly to it, such that at a normal serum bilirubin level, nearly all bilirubin will be bound to albumin. The liver is the final destination for bilirubin and is well suited for the uptake of bilirubin. For one within each unit or lobule of the liver, the hepatocytes are arranged radially as cords or rows of cells, such that each cell borders one of the small vessels or sinusoids. Secondly, the sinusoids receive blood from the portal vein and hepatic artery, but mostly from the portal veins, which are under low pressure and thus lead to slow flow, giving lots of time for bilirubin uptake. Finally, the sinusoidal endothelium is leaky and porous and lacks a basement membrane, so albumin-bound bilirubin diffuses directly into the space of Dis, which is found between the endothelium and the hepatocyte plasma membrane.
Created using PowToon.